What are the differences between Arctic and Antarctic geopolitics? Have you ever wondered how the geopolitics of the Arctic and Antarctic differ? These two polar regions are not just icy landscapes. They have unique political and environmental characteristics that shape their governance and security. Let's break it down. First, the geographical setup is quite different. The Arctic is an ocean surrounded by land, including countries like Canada, Russia, and the United States through Alaska. In contrast, Antarctica is a continent surrounded by oceans, with no permanent residents. Only temporary scientists and researchers live there. Next, consider political governance. The Arctic operates under the laws of the surrounding nations, giving each country sovereignty over its own territorial waters and land. This creates a complex governance structure involving multiple nations. On the other hand, Antarctica is governed by the Antarctic Treaty System. This agreement, involving over 50 countries, aims to demilitarize the continent, promote scientific research, and protect the environment. No single nation can claim any part of Antarctica as its own. When it comes to security and military presence, the Arctic has a history of military importance, especially during the Cold War. Although the risk of military conflict is low today, climate change raises concerns about competition over resources and territory. In contrast, the Antarctic Treaty strictly prohibits military activities, focusing instead on scientific research and environmental conservation. Economic interests also differ significantly. The Arctic is rich in natural resources like oil, gas, and minerals, leading to increased competition among the surrounding nations. Conversely, Antarctica has mineral resources, but the treaty protects the continent by prohibiting mining and resource extraction to preserve its environment. Climate change impacts both regions, but in different ways. The Arctic is warming rapidly, causing sea ice to melt and making resources more accessible, which fuels geopolitical competition. Antarctica's ice sheet is also affected, but the focus remains on preserving its pristine environment. Lastly, international cooperation varies. In the Arctic, cooperation among nations is primarily driven by economic and strategic interests. In Antarctica, international collaboration centers around scientific research and environmental protection, emphasizing the need to maintain the continent as a natural reserve. These differences in geopolitical dynamics highlight the unique challenges and opportunities in each region. The Arctic's complex governance and resource competition present security challenges, while Antarctica's collective management and environmental focus serve as a model for international cooperation. Understanding these distinctions is essential for grasping the broader implications of polar regions' politics and law.